This one is a natural logarithm equation, and we treat it the same as normal logarithms. Only difference is that the base on it, so we're going to get to that in just a moment. But as you can see on the left hand side, both of these are natural logarithms, meaning I can combine these. I need to condense these into one logarithm. This subtraction sign means I'm going to end up dividing whenever I put it in there. This would be x divided by 7. So I've got the natural log of x divided by 7. Again, the division sign comes right here from the subtraction sign here. If this were an addition sign and we were combining them, then it would be 7x, but this one is a subtraction sign, so I'm just going to divide it. This 2 here, I didn't really do anything to the right-hand side. Now what I need to do is convert this to exponential form, and a key important piece here is understanding what the base is on this natural logarithm. The base here is actually the number e. Okay, so this is natural logarithms always use a base of e. So anytime you see the ln, your base is e. So if I convert this to exponential form, my base on that is going to be e. It will be e squared. I'm getting the squared from this 2 right here. Okay, equals whatever this value is here. In this case, it's x divided by 7. So e squared, now I'm asked to simplify what's on the left-hand side. E squared. Well, that one we're going to need the assistance of a calculator. So let's pull out our calculator here. Let me clear out what I've got here. E is this number here in blue. It's right above the ln. Because it's in blue means that we have to actually hit this second button. So I'm going to hit second ln, which gives me my e, and it's just flashing here on the TI-84. It automatically puts it where it's supposed to be. That makes it nice. And I just hit squared. I'm looking for e squared. And I hit enter and see what that number is. And this comes up to one very big long number. Now, the answer asks us to round it to the nearest thousand. I would highly recommend that you do not round this at all right now. We will round the answer to that, but not this. If you round it too soon, you can a good likelihood that you'll get the wrong answer. So I'm just going to leave that alone for a moment. I'm going to simplify that one. You notice how I have several decimals here. Now what I need to do, now that I've simplified the left-hand side, I need to solve this one for x. Meaning I'm going to get x all by itself. This is x divided by 7, which means I need to multiply both sides by 7. So I'm multiplying this side here by 7 and this side. The one on my right, I have a 7 over 7, which will cancel each other. Okay, now the one on the left, I just need to go 7 times that number. Now notice if I did not round it, I can just pull back up my calculator here and I can go times 7. Notice how it says answer here. That was my previous answer multiplied by 7, which is really what we want. Just hit enter and that'll give you another big long decimal. Now that is our answer here. Okay, and because we're at our answer stage, now we can start to round this one to the nearest thousandth. Okay, so when we round it, thousandth is 3 decimal places. Okay, so let's see, this is a 4. That means that we're going to round down. Our answer is 51.723.